In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to link your YouTube channel to your Discord. And this is really easy and quick. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys it right now. So what you want to do is, you want to open up your Discord and then just click on the user settings right here. Once you're in the user settings, you basically want to go to connections right here. And this will show you guys all the connections and the different stuff you can connect to. So we're just gonna click on YouTube, and for example sign into this account right here and click on accept. It says connected your YouTube account to Discord, and I could easily just select it, but if your Google account was not on that list, for example, you just gotta add your Google account and log in and then connect it just like this. So if we go back, as you can see, our YouTube channel is now being linked to our Discord, and you can just click on display on profile, for example. So when I go into, for example, a server, then click on my name, or right click on profile, we can see that YouTube is right here, and when you click on it, this will bring you over to your YouTube channel. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.